important meal of the day? Are you someone who wants to consume a healthy breakfast which is loaded full of nutrients, minerals, fibers, proteins, but are confused that what this diet should actually look like? If these are the questions that lingers on your mind as well, then this video is for you. This is me, DEWAN, and you're watching The Health Site. In today's video, we are going to tell you how you can incorporate some superfood in your diet in order to stay healthy and fit.
Chia pudding. One can have chia pudding for breakfast. Chia seeds improves gut health and boosts energy. To prepare chia seeds pudding, all you need to do is soak chia seeds in milk overnight. You can add nuts, berries, honey and seeds to this pudding in the morning. Banana or oats pancake. Banana and oats are very beneficial for our health and digestive system. To prepare these pancakes, you can soak oats with eggs or mix mashed bananas with eggs. You can also have them with fruits and honey. Egg muffins. Eggs are also known for their nutritional value. Eggs are rich in magnesium, protein, zinc and much more. If you get tired from eating omelets and boiled eggs, then this is the right time to add egg muffins to your breakfast. Coconut coffee. Coffee provides a spike in the energy. Coconut and coffee both are very well known for their nutrients. To try coconut coffee, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to your black coffee, and coconut oil will stabilize the energy that coffee gives. Yogurt cups. It is a great probiotic food. It is rich in calcium, protein, antioxidants and probiotics. You can add berries, nuts and fruits to your yogurt cup and kickstart your day on a healthy note.
Well, I hope this helps. Don't forget to share this information with your friends and family, and don't forget to incorporate all these items in your breakfast. Thank you later. Stay healthy, stay fit.